सही कहते हो उसके बारे में। उसको आप ये भी बोला करो ना कि हम लोग 8:30 बजे बैडमिंटन खेलते अंदर भी आ जाएगा।
यार।
खाना खाना खाया था ना, सही कहते हो उसके बारे में।
अच्छा।
हाँ, थोड़ा मुझे भी वो आप भी बोला करो ना कि हम लोग
अच्छा।
क्या ऑफ है।
अच्छा। अच्छा चलें, ओके। I think I finally figured out how to actually do it live. I don't know if I need to give the warnings on the live or not, but let's see. Quick warning, right? This is for educational and informational purposes only. You're responsible for your own trading decisions. This is actually, I'm gonna see if I can do it live. I'm I'm far from profitable, so don't follow me. Actually, maybe try to do opposite of what I do. But I woke up a bit early, 8:45. Usually I'm up by 9. I think since the time has adjusted, the Fajr prayer time has adjusted. Now I'm getting that extra 1 hour to sleep. I think that helps a little bit. So this is on M15. I just had this line marked based on, so I just drew the line. For support and resistance. So this was low of yesterday, right? Falling, it kept falling, 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 right? Right from the start of Asia. No chance, right? I think today any any pop, sell. Any pop, sell. Any pop, sell. Probably get in any bar, we make money, right? So, so um, this one doesn't take out. It does. But if we, just a little loose, not exactly 1 bar, but just above the swing, we'd be in profit. This looked good. I was playing with it in the Early morning. This looks good. Looked good. In the morning, I kept trying to, oh yeah, and this demo account mostly. In the morning, I kept trying to do buy, sell in here. So that wasn't good. Now it's turning out to be even here, even here. I think I tried to sell this green bar. I tried to buy, just just following my, wasn't doing it in, but I was doing it in here. Just like why was I buying or selling? And then slowly I realized that the H4 at least, even on daily, look at this mess. It's consolidating. It's consolidating. If it's consolidating on the daily, then it's gonna be choppy, obviously, right? So that's when I realized that maybe I need to take a step back and reevaluate. And that's when it occurred to me that I wonder if it's consolidating. And that's when I realized that, oh, it is consolidating. Um, the 4 hour, um, 4 hour candle ends in ends at 9 a.m. Right? This is pretty decent 3 bar reversal on the H4, right? We got this one, and then this one just a tiny bit. This one is more like a outside bar, and then this one is lower high for sure. So that's quite interesting on H4. That should at least give some bias that it might expand to the downside. Let's see. Obviously missed the entry, but these spin bar are super nice. Come back to it maybe. Everything's Everything looks like it's gone. It's done. Hmm. This is okay, but Hmm. Buy it. Buy it. This is holding a pin bar, power bar. Now we have MA200 right above us. So this is SMA. SMA 20 is not 45. Not bad. Hmm. Actually, this one has come to the near the low of yesterday. This one's too far. This one is, I think, already done. This one is also too far. This one is far. This one is right at it. Hmm. Nice chart. Um, just going through the prayers real quick. Um, everything, everything is gone, I think. Hmm. Hmm. All right. See, on M15, the MN200 has started to trend down. Look, but it's very far. It's very far. I would say it's maybe 6 units, 5 units, 6 units. It's very far. This consolidation is very little. I'm not thinking about buying at all, right? Not this teeny tiny bit consolidation. Kinda wanted it to maybe pop out. Maybe it gone here. More consolidation, kind of like gold. And then hmm, hmm, feel like missed everything. Huh. Some support here, right? Could this be bought? Pretty nice. Pretty nice breakout. But always been bothered by when it crosses the EMA, SMA, when it breaks out like this. It's never worked out for me. Hmm. It's just strong breakout for sure. But I don't think I want to get in. This is going. This is going. This is doing something. This is falling. 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 Hmm. I wonder if we can get in here in this one. but maybe first mouse, right? Maybe first mouse. It is breaking out. Don't know. It's okay. It's popped out of the EMA at least. I am tempted to take it, but I wish I had seen this one. Right? See that pin bar? Why didn't I see? Because this one only took out maybe 1, 2, 3. That's why I kinda wanted 4, 5 more than 3. Oliver says 5. He gives the number 5. Hmm. I wanted to buy it. Oh, I think I did somewhere. Yeah, I just on the demo. I just don't know what I was thinking. Overall, that it's on a breakout, very bullish, strong breakout. So when I saw that it was reversing from the lower band from here, so I just got in. But it was just to see like what's gonna happen. I think this held through, this held through, this held through pretty nicely. This one, this one. Falling, falling. Nothing. That's natural gas. I have it here, but I've never really traded it. I don't have cross. I don't have crosses. This could also be shorted. This looks nice. I wonder. Don't have crosses. Hmm. Let's see. Falling, being weird, falling. I think this one maybe get in. I'm very tempted to. Very tempted to. Because of pretty small distance away from the and 9, 10 the spin bar. Let's see. I'm thinking that what if the 9:30 knocks me out? Hmm. It's a small pin bar. Hmm. Very tempted to get in. Hmm. Falling, could have taken it. Then maybe the TP could be maybe lower than the low. Could have taken it, right? Could have taken it. I think just consolidating. It's falling. Consolidating. Consolidating. I think this one was maybe this. Didn't take it. And no, this one. Maybe I want closer to 10, I guess. Maybe that's why I didn't take it. Hmm. I think maybe if it was near here, then maybe could have tried to go for it. That looks nice. Post well above it. Could we take this? Let's go. Taking it. A bit late. A little late. Should have gotten in here. Should have gotten in here. This feels a bit late. But I'm hoping for I've entered and put my stop loss right here. Hmm. This is the new that doesn't look good. This is also not bad. Maybe here could have taken it, break out, pull back, goes back up. It's not bad. Not bad. Gold, I'm losing. This one is turning out to be a winner. The one that I entered is turning out to be quite a loser. Hmm. Wouldn't wanna move my stop loss here. I don't think that's gonna help. Put it here. Maybe could have tried small size, but I went in with 5. That's 500. It's not good. Too big. Too big. So the couple other are working, which I didn't enter. I think I need to be a bit more selective with the buy low, right? Yeah. Yeah, I often make mistake jumping too early. So I think probably a loser. You could have gotten out with the maybe even this red bar. 420. Hmm. Yeah, I think I need to be a little bit more selective with my trying to go for the buy low. Um, this this could probably be this could be the first leg, maybe. I think maybe just bit more red, and then if this had come in, it's 9:30. I want to take this also. Right at 10:30. Seems like it's breaking out. Yeah, I'm getting in. So I think we could even go for TP could be lower than this low. So expect a new low to be made. But I would have really liked it to close down here somewhere. So my anticipated entries are not really good. They almost always get me in trouble. Mm, let's see. I am in that one. Wow, big breakout. Put my stop loss up here. It's not bad. Worked out pretty good. This is breaking out. This is also breaking out. Wow. What was I thinking? Hmm. See, losses like these, they ruin my day. A small pin bar, but it's really working out. It's going. I think this could maybe check the, so let's see. And keep an eye out in here to be able to get out with some profit. I think it will make a new low, but who knows? Again, my size is pretty big. 20 lot. And I am up about 1200. I tend to hold on to my trades a bit longer than I should, and that gets me in trouble almost always. Hmm. Seeing that this makes me want to get out. Oh, I've moved my stop loss to break even. And let's see. Let's see. 935. So I would at least move it up here now. How to do this, right? Because it's not done yet. What if wants to pull back, which I don't think, not today. Um, Sam5. It could, right? It could. It already is. Already is. See, usually I'm just all in and all out. I've never been a partial. I've never been a partial. Let's see, let's see. Hmm, it's hanging just around my uh stop loss, which is over here. And gone. Yep. Gone. Tempted to move it just a little bit up, but I don't. Hmm, that could play against me. Let's see. Maybe on M5 we could do the color change. Could have another entry. Hmm. Nope. Maybe too early. Yeah, again, anticipated, um, it's usually not good for me. I think I should have waited for the candle to close. Hardly at break even. Yeah, it reversed pretty strongly. I was in profit for the day, but now I'm hardly at break even for the day. But I think maybe try to get in again. I think maybe somewhere here. This one I'm really interested in. I think that was it for the first leg, for the initial breakout. Should have gotten out here and look for a re-entry instead of adding in, doing crazy things. That's worked out pretty nice. It's breaking out pretty nice. Hmm. So now I'm interested in going short. This one made a winning trade into a loser. Right. Pretty good win. Could have gotten out some profit. Maybe with this green bar, maybe this closing above. I had my break even here. Could have done all sorts of things. Except not add. And which I did, and that led to a winning trade turned into a loser. So I gotta be careful about adding. So it's pretty good. Get out here. Could have gone in with my size as usual, and I could have. It's not a pin bar. That was a good saw. Just didn't see it. 15. Hmm. Hmm. Did not see it. Now we're at the low of yesterday. So this could be a nice resistance. Let's hit the MA 200. I'm gonna retake this because it's made a higher low. Hit from here. How much of a pullback is that? It's 50%. I get anymore. So I need to be careful of my anticipated entries. This one, this one, it's too little, right? Going for a buy low over here. There's nothing. Maybe now. Right. Why I'm taking it. This could be the Bull 180 or even the Vilo setup. So now it might be the wheel complete, right? From here to here. 1, 2, 3. Now we're seeing the torso line 55. Definitely, you can say it's bull 180, right? On the M15. See, I don't mess up this one. I would really like it to close at least above the body, right? Hmm. good. Closing even above the, so that's for sure below 180, right? So usually very hard for me to look away. But because I think my size is big. Size is very big. Also not very confident about where to put the take profit, right? If it had been hmm, uh, coming down, bothering me, but see, it could come down here, it could come down here, it could come down here, and then it could come down here, then right. But for me, uh that's giving up again almost 90% of my profit, right? Because I didn't get in here. I got in somewhere here. Mm, even now, this is this is almost 50% of my profit. Probably looks bad on the M5. I wonder if we could add in here maybe color change, add in add in here for the color change. Depends on what happens next. Pretty close to my entry and break even. See, that was the initial play, and I had it really good, but yeah, some mistakes. I need to review. I think especially the anticipated entry I have talked about has often gotten me in trouble. So anticipated entry hasn't really worked out in my favor. Let's see. Um, hmm, I am tempted to add because how it looks on M1. We could say that this is color change, maybe. But I'm never confident. I did add in, and I think my stop loss is too tight now. Take profit is always tricky, right? Exit is always tricky. Mostly break even. Mostly break even. Don't know. It's falling down too much. But yeah, I wouldn't wanna go in and draw down. That's also never worked out for me. Thinking about one more, but mostly at break even. Could have gotten out with some profit, but getting out at break even. Um, some loss, one loss for the gold. This one, and then this one could have been a winner, but I added in and very tight stop loss and got out. this one was a winner, but I added in and got out at a break even. So this was a big win, almost could have been 1200. My goal was in decent profit with my big size. So what I like about this here is that it's rolling over. But again, it's made a higher low. The profit, it wouldn't be level to level, right? I wouldn't, I don't like not taking level to level. That's not looking good anymore. I think Euro USD was the best play, at least from the level to level point of view. Maybe just with the psychology that, oh, I took the profit right at the low, right? And be done with it. Yeah, be done. 10:15. Thinking full 180 color change, but this could be the this could be the first leg, right? This could be the first leg. Hmm. This pullback is not bad. Decent pullback. It's almost all well within just the Hmm, I did jump the gun. Again, I thought this was breaking out and it would close maybe above. And it's falling down now. I shouldn't let some positive day turn into completely negative. Hmm. Again, just I need to really stay away from the anticipated entries. I will work on it. That that should be, I think, my big no-no. That I need to stay away from the anticipated entries. Call it. So couple wins, couple losses, mostly break even. Lesson of the day would be to stay away and not to do the not to do anticipated entries. That's number one. And number two, um, the 930 volatility, right? Should just get out, and could have had other entries closer to, let's say, 950 and 10 maybe between. If I wanted, this could have been the second window of opportunity. So this big time no, and this take the profit, the uh initial momentum, take it, right? And then look for the second.